Review Sample Z on YouTube. Welcome back. Let's continue from where we left off. So we did this in the UI design tool with Lunacy. So today we're going to do this in WPF. So this is the reference image we're going to use for WPF. So this one was done in Lunacy, so we should have an approximation that looks like this for when we're finished for the desktop UI. So let's get started. So I'll create a new project, WPF application. Okay. Alright, so I'll click next. I'm using .NET 8 long-term support, so you guys can use, if you're using .NET 9, just follow along. Okay, so let me do this. Alright, so here we are. We'll start here. So width of 1000, height of 550. Then our window state will be always maximized. Then we'll allow transparency to be true. Window style none. Then background will be transparent. Then in here we'll have a border. And inside the border we'll have border dot background. So border dot background. Then we'll have a solid color brush. Just one moment. Oh, okay, color. Okay, so I have these ones here. Close that tag. Okay, so first things is first. That corner radius 25. Okay. We got view of 75%. Okay. Right, so here we go. Then inside the border, let's see if this tag will work now. Okay, so let's save that. Then we come to Solution Explorer. We'll add a new folder. We'll call it images. So in images, we'll come to our starter kit. This will be in the link for this starter kit will be in the description section. So we want this image here. So copy. Then we'll paste. Then we'll just get that name there. Everything and copy. Then source / okay, so there we are. So that's sorted for that layer. So we've got the border inside the grid. Then inside this grid we can put, let's see, okay, then inside this grid we can do this. Okay. Okay, border. So let's get the background color there. Okay, this one looks good. Yeah, definitely looks like that. Hashtag. Okay. Vertical alignment. Okay, that looks good. I need that width there. Let's see. Okay, let's have that look. Let's run it first. Oh dear, I forgot something. Okay. Okay, so let's get a label in there. Before we forget, we come here. Always resource, copy if you know, and just save that one. Okay, so let's get a label in there. Horizontal content alignment center. Font family. Let's see. So I'll add this font to the starter kit also. Font size 25. I'll just bring this into perspective. Okay, so here we are. I'm not going to use this small trick here, so I'm going to do this. Just 10, then for spacing. Okay, it won't work here. Okay, so under label, we'll get this image from the starter kit. Copy that one. And we'll come here. Paste that there. Just rename it. And select everything in there, and I'll copy. Okay, so add the image tag. Then I'll come to this image here, no, this one. Then go to properties, resource, copy to output directory. I'll close that tag.
What is it?
Okay, so here we'll do this now. We'll put a stack panel. So everything will come in the stack panel now. So that goes in the stack panel there. Okay, so let's continue. So let's give our image size. Height 120. Okay, so far so good. So now we can use this control here. Sorry, not like that. Okay, like this. Then what we can do is EIGHT height. Let's say spacing of 10. So the spacing of 10 between the image and the text there. Make that 110. Okay, so can come again, get that border and paste it here, then we'll save. Okay, so what's the next thing? Okay, so around the text box. Okay, so we'll do this. The text box, so come here. We'll just copy that. Too high. Okay, come to 30 for the height. 35. Okay, that looks okay. So with our text box, so let's key in some properties using this. So let's see if this will fit in. So I'll just X that out, then delete those, then we'll paste that there. So just to save time. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's get started. So in textbox.style, so style target type is textbox. So setup property is text. We have enter email address there. Setup property background is white. Setup property foreground, that's the color there, dark gray. Setup light gray, sorry. Setup property font weight is bold. Yeah, that definitely looks bold. Setup property font size is value is 10. Font family, setup property value for font family is Poppins there. Then just hold on, we'll come here again. Okay, we'll get these. So come to our text box, we'll just add these there. Okay, so let's continue. So outside of the text box, we're going to do this. We're going to add that, the border. Okay, so there we are. Let's just bring this into position. Okay, so let's look at the border properties in detail. So I have a corner radius of 20, border brush orange, border thickness 1, width 260, height 35, background white. So let's make this 3. Okay, 325. $335. Okay, so there we are. There we are, 335. Okay, so that looks good. So now we come to the text box. The border thickness, say 0. Okay, so say 0. Right, so there we are. So there's our text box. So to save time, what we're going to do, let's just position this to save time. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy starting from here all the way here, there, Control C, and we'll come down here, Control V. So we'll create another, so we'll paste that for another text box. Then in the content section, the content property text, sorry. So say enter not email address but enter password. Enter password. Okay, so enter the password there. So we've written the enter password text there. Then we'll save. Okay, so let's see if we can give this border some height, I think, because we've got 2 more other controls that are coming in there. So as our border height 300, so let's say 350. Okay, so 350 there. Then okay, we're still in the stack panel here. So the start panel, what we're going to do, button. Okay, so don't want this video to get any longer than it should, so to save time I'll just do this. So come here, so let's copy all that to do with the button. No, not everything. Let's start here. Okay, Control C. So I'm just doing this to save time. Don't want the video to be any longer than it should be. Okay, there we go. Then V. Okay, so button width. Okay, so there's our button. Let's get this for spacing. So get that for spacing there. Okay, so here we are. So let's go through properties for our button. So the width is 260, height is 35. So button.style, we're targeting style type of a button here. So let's just uncomment that there. So the property content, that won't say login, that will say, oh yeah, it's login, but the color is going to be black here. So make that 3 dots. Let's compare that to what we have here. Okay, sorry, not this image. Okay, login. All right, okay, there we go. Okay, so yeah, that is starting to take up shape. So let's continue. So set a property background is orange. Set a property foreground, that will be black, the text color there. Font weight is bold. Font size value is 10. Then we can get this here. Just copy that and paste that there. And we say font font family. So font family will say Poppins. Poppins. Then okay, let's just get that with this keyed in properly. Okay, 350, 335. Just copy that and paste that there and bring this into perspective. What else needs to be brought into perspective? Okay, here again. Okay, so bring this into perspective also. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Okay, font family Poppins. Then style trigger property is mouse over. So value true. Set a property background value is light brown. So when you hover over here with just the mouse, it will trigger this effect color. It will show this color instead of this color here. So let's continue. Going outside of the button.style. Then here we'll do the button.template. So I have that one here. So button.template. So I'll just do this just to save time. Okay, so here we are. And I'm going to paste that in. Okay, so let's bring everything into perspective. Okay, here we go. Button.template. So in button.template, we'll add the tag code control template. Then inside control template, we'll add the border. So the border have a corner radius of 20. Okay, that one looks okay. Width of 260. Let's change that to 335. 335. Height of 35. Then background, it will do a template binding. So background, it will get this property, which is here for the button. Then content presenter, the whole horizontal alignment will be center. That's the text you see there. Vertical alignment, center. Then content sign up. The content is sign up. Let's see if we can do this. We're just going to try right here. TEMPLATE. Okay, template binding. Let's see if that will work. content. System is content C. Oh, okay. Yes. Huh? Has it worked? Okay, let's save that. No. Closing tag for element content presenter was not found. That's this one here, isn't it? Okay, so this won't work. Oh, okay, we forgot to put that. Okay, so what it's saying is the member content is not recognized or is not accessible. Okay, so it cannot be used here, I think. So we'll do this. We just say 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we'll put a space there, and that has a space. Okay, no. So everything else should propagate from here onto that text there. So okay, so after button we go to one more thing we need to do. So come here, this will be a stack. Okay, a stack panel, we'll orientate it. Orientation will be horizontal. So I think we can close that. Okay, so horizontal. Then where's our label? Label. We'll use this label here. So come here. 1, 2. Okay, so let me delete this one first. Okay, center. So copy this one again. Control C. So come here. Control V. Okay. There we go. So almost done. Okay, so here we are. Then foreground. So use this color. Come to a color picker. This one. No, too light. We need it to be slightly darker. So we'll use this one on top. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what does the reference image say? Don't have an account, sign up. Okay. So this one, ordinary black. Don't have an account, question mark. Sign up. Okay, let's have a reference. Okay. All right, so font size, let's bring it to 15. Okay, so that is in a stack panel. So where's our spacer? So we'll use this for spacing. So I put that there. Okay, that looks good. So let's run this to see what changes we might need to make. Oh, nice, 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 nice. One to one with this image here. So since that's one to one with that image here, so this is the end of this video here. Like and subscribe, like, share and subscribe. I'll be back with another video again. Peace.